Welcome to this guided meditation to help you stop smoking, not by fighting yourself, but by learning to ride out cravings and return to control. Get comfortable, let your shoulders drop, close your eyes. Inhale through your nose and exhale longer than you inhale. Again, slow inhale, long exhale. Feel how the long exhale calms the nervous system. Now set an intention. You are practicing freedom. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to choose again, each time. Now scan your body. Soften the forehead. Unclench the jaw. Relax the throat. Let the chest and belly loosen. Bring to mind your most common trigger: after food, with coffee, stress, breaks, driving, boredom. Pick one. See the exact moment the urge begins. Now imagine you pause right there, before the habit takes over. You name it. This is a craving, not a command, not an emergency. Before you locate it, remember why you're stopping. Health, energy, money, confidence, peace, whatever is true for you. Let your reason be simple and real. Locate the craving in the body: throat, chest, belly, hands, jaw. Where is it strongest? Now practice urge surfing. The craving is a wave. It rises, it peaks, and it falls. Your job is to stay steady until it passes. Breathe in for 4, breathe out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. In for 4, out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now create a quick plan for the hardest moments. If you feel a craving, you do 3 steps. Pause, breathe out long, and do your ritual. If the craving comes back, you repeat the steps. Waves can repeat, but they still pass. Now choose your replacement ritual. Pick one you can do anywhere immediately. A glass of water, chewing gum, stepping into fresh air, 3 slow breaths, or squeezing your hands and releasing. Choose one now. Visualize the next craving. You do the ritual right away, before negotiation starts. You don't debate, you act. Calm, automatic. Notice withdrawal sensations too. Restlessness, irritability, tension. They are temporary signals of change, not proof that you need nicotine. Treat them like weather, felt, allowed, and then gone. If the mind offers excuses, just one, I deserve it, today is stressful. Notice those thoughts as the habit speaking. You don't argue, you return to breath. Also picture removing cues. You clear ashtrays. You wash out the smell. You change a routine that led to smoking. You make the healthy path the easy path. Now shift identity. Not I'm trying to quit, but I don't smoke. Quiet, final, clean. Picture your lungs healing with each smoke-free hour. Breath becoming easier, energy becoming steadier, smell and taste returning, your body repairing itself step by step. Now bring in what smoking used to provide. A break, a reset, a way to handle stress. You can still have the break without the cigarette. Picture yourself stepping away, breathing, drinking water, stretching your neck and shoulders. You still get relief without harm. Now, for the next minute, practice being the person who doesn't smoke. Breathe slowly. Feel the hands relax. Feel the jaw soften. Let the urge be present without owning you. And if you slip, you don't spiral. You don't call it failure. You reset immediately. One cigarette does not erase progress unless you turn it into a story. You return to I don't smoke with the very next choice. Repeat inwardly, once each. This urge will pass. I can outlast 10 minutes. I choose clean breath. I protect my health, my time, and my money. Now imagine the next 7 days. Each day you face a few waves, and each day you get better at riding them. The habit gets weaker, your confidence gets stronger, your body feels cleaner. You start trusting yourself again. Let your breathing return to normal. Notice any calm that's here, even a little. Take one slow breath in and one long breath out. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this steadiness into your day.